We're outside the Orleans today, and this is popular with locals here, and it's really the first time I've come over here and taken a look. What do you think of, you said there's a few things inside?
Okay, Orleans is great. They have a bowling alley. They have, I think they had a bowling alley. Anyways, they also have, they have a theater, an arena.
But not just any theater, comfortable seats.
Oh, they got the big reclining seats. Oh, they're awesome. It's got a lot of amenities
probably
here.
Good restaurants. You have the when it's sports betting, they have the hot dog and beer combo.
Oh yeah. It's good
this
stuff.
is where Mr. Z made our
money.
Sports bets. We actually have some tickets we're going to take in. It officially concludes our college football betting season. So yeah, there we go.
Coffee stains and everything.
That's all right. They still work. So let's head inside and check it out.
Get him some bowling, there's nowhere to go. Nice.
Let's go bowling, guys. Let's go bowling.
Go first or second?
Yeah.
I tell you what though, you're not going to have to worry about competition.
I got to get another ball. All right. Ooh.
Been about, like you said, 20 years. And I sucked in.
Holy smokes. That's pretty good.
Nah, that sucked. So, champ, how'd that one go for you?
It went terrible, that one. I'm going to make up
That's
for
like
it.
the second gutter ball in your second try, right?
I'm going to make up for this one right here. And that's the end of my bowling.
Look how huge this place is. This place is huge.
Well, I got something.
I gotta get my stepping right. I'm not into my.
Rosie ain't no bowler. It happens to me a lot. I just got a weird spare. I just knocked him down. So. I got white 93 to 69, but one of mine was just one ball. I don't even know if I have the right size or even how to hold it or anything. Rosie ain't no bowling aficionado. If my wrist wasn't sore, I'd be doing it all over again. Showing them who's the boss on the lanes at the Orleans. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thumbs up are appreciated. Woo.
Oh my God, no
I
wonder
think
you
I
were-
chose the wrong, it's a 16 pounder, huh?
Oh, I could tell the difference. I had a 12.
Wow.
Feel mine compared to yours.
Oh yeah, much better.
2 pounds
Yeah.
makes a difference, don't
I
it?
had a Fred
3
Flintstone ball
pounds,
there.
shit.
All right. Love the excuses. And we got the dead Keno. That's okay, I'm looking. Ice cream.
Always the first day. You guys should
We haven't
Got
had.
one with my hat in it.
There's hope.
Yep. Poker. A lot of people playing poker. A lot of poker tables. Ooh. Hope you enjoyed that look around the Orleans there. I'm impressed with the place. The machines look a bit tight, but what's not tight these days,
Right,
post-pandemic? So this place wasn't built on winners. So for Mr. Z and I, great to see you guys along. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications, and thumbs up are appreciated. From the Orleans, have a great day.